guys, just wanted to go ahead and show you a quick video on Chewbacca. This is the LEGO Chewbacca from Episode 8. This is for ages 8 to 14, so it does come with this instruction booklet where you can go ahead and follow along to be able to put him together. He is a little wobbly, so you have to be really careful when you're trying to play with him, but he does have this fancy little gun, which is the gun that was used in Episode 8, and when you push this little button here, basically what it's going to do is shoot it. So let me show you. Boom, there it goes. And so what you can do is when you have that one, it actually comes with a second bullet here, and you can actually remove that bullet, which is really hard to do one-handed, but you can actually remove that bullet. You want to remove that bullet for me? Okay, and then you'll reload it, like so. And then you can go ahead and actually shoot the second bullet as well, so... So anyway, he is made of plastic. The pieces are actually a little bit bigger in size when you are putting them together rather than the smaller Legos, but he is very unsteady, so you have to be very careful when you have him on your shelf for display.